Sitting there in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a vlog of me going to Texas to surprise my family after 1 year. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and stay tuned. I'm on my way to the airport, and this sun, ooh, this lighting is bomb. Guys, look at the snow. There was a snowstorm the other day, and like the road, I'm glad I'm getting out of this. And my lovely over there driving me beatitude. Smile! Thank you. So guys, I just seen a rainbow. I don't know if you guys stop driving so fast. You hater! You guys, he's a hater. Oh my god. Let me see if I can get it. But if this boy don't stop driving so fast, I'm gonna punch him. Oh, I got the rainbow! Yay! Babe, you're a hater. Jeez! Why are you like this? So guys, I just arrived. Amazing. How you feel?
I'm joking.
You know you're gonna cry. Here. Look at the big strong man. Put it up here.
Now you got the bag.
Yeah. I have it. Yeah. So guys, I'm checking right now. I hate wearing mask. So I just drop my bag off. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I'll check in back with you guys later. Oh, I need to use the bathroom.
If you need assistance getting settled today, please don't hesitate to ask. Welcome aboard.
My new friend.
Hi.
Yeah, we're about to take off. Checking you guys soon. So tired. About 2 hours left. So guys, I finally arrived home. I'm waiting on my dad to come get me. So I'll keep you all updated. Look at this! It's my daddy! So my YouTube.
Whatever.
Minister Philip, say hi to my channel.
Hey.
They finally got me. So now it's on the way to surprise my brother and sister. So guys, I'm back for another update. My dad is shopping. He's getting close for church, I think. But I can't wait to get home and surprise my brother and sister. So guys, I got Wingstop. Oh, but I thought I was music. Make I say copyright. Copyright. She's crying, guys. Hi, bro. What's up?
Why is Felicia crying?
Why are you crying? Oh, sweet home. And my brother is helping.
Thank you, bro.
So guys, I was about to end the video, but here with my family chilling. My sister's getting her hair done. She's gonna look like someone. And here's the wonderful.
Hey, I'm looking a mess. I don't know why she put me on there.
I'm looking a mess too. We all looking a mess.
Right.
And you all know my dad would think he's young.
Wow.
Don't do
Wow.
that. It's okay. I believe you're young. I believe you're young.
Him look young, but him not young. You can't get him though, he's
He
taken.
does. He looks young. He's not. Lord.
So yeah guys, we chilling. I'm finally back. And I'm happy. I would show you my stepmama, but she's being a grumpy pants right now. I'ma show you the bottom of her face.
Yeah.
So look at my new friend. Say hey.
This
is
is.
my new. That's my friend.
That is so.
And this is cutie pants right here. Say hi. He's so pretty. Oh,
They're fans. They're fans.
say hi.
This is Carter.
Remember we've been talking about we changing all one.
Say hi to my YouTube.
But hey guys.
Why you? Why you say hi? That's not how you say hi.
That's exactly why I said hi.
Grumpy pants.
She did. Did you talk to him?
She's so pretty, guys.
Tell him welcome.
Hey, hello. Hey, hello. Hey guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and you know, stay tuned with me. I'll be posting a lot more consistently now that I'm home. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos with my family. I'm gonna prank them, y'all. Give me some prank ideas that you want me to do on them. But thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy. This is my first vlog. Let me know how I did, what I can perfect, and just stay tuned for more lit videos. Shali's out. Love y'all.
Still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your babe?